Welcome to BBM Pulsars. In this video I'd like to show you guys my upgraded version of the wrapping machine. So since the last video I had to modify it slightly. In here I added this support. It's actually pushes the sticky tape so that it sticks to the bottom of the strip right in the beginning here. So here I got the rubber piece, it's squeezed with two plates, and then I've mounted to the piece of wood here, and I can adjust heightness, go up and down a little bit. So that's one improvement. And another improvement here, I added this support wheel because when the coil starts, this grabs on here and scratches off the tape. So I finally got it to more or less perfect how I want it with this setup. Let me just show you from the top view here. So as the wire, I call it wire, comes in here, this is kind of like the main important thing here that makes it whole thing happen. So this made out of 0.8 millimeter copper clad printed circuit board material, FR4. And so I have two strips here, and there's another strip underneath here. What I did is, as you can see here, I cut it in the middle and then made another one just like that, and then I twisted them and solder right here and right there so that they're like wrapping. You see they're coming from the bottom here and then just goes around and wraps it. So as the line, as the wire comes through, it's got this Kapton tape underneath, and it's being guided in a way that this Kapton tape goes and wraps it around. And so at the end it comes out to be like this, wrapped very nicely, and on the bottom it's wrapped, on the sides it's wrapped, and on the top there is just a small empty line. But that's okay, because as it wraps, it's gonna touch the bottom side with each wrap and it's gonna get insulated. So that's kind of how it is. In here, where it comes in, this is kind of special guiding plate here. The guides the Kapton tape and this strip wires, so they go right in the perfectly center here. And this thing pushes the tape and glues it to the wire here, and as it comes out, it gets wrapped. And then right here, the way this top being pushed and glued is by wrapping here. As it wraps here, the tape really comes close and gets glued here. So at the end it's all nicely wrapped. Let me show you how this works. So I have my tape here. Okay, it's getting seized somewhere. Anyway, you got an idea. Just wanted to show you my upgraded version of it and how it works. By the way, this strip wire is sharp on the edges. So what I do before loading in here, I remove the sharpness from both sides by running a steel wool on both sides. I have another setup similar to this with like one post and another post, and I have two wheels, and then I just go from one wheel to another wheel manually and then just grind the sides of the sharp edges here just to make sure it's not sharp. Alright guys, if you have any questions you can leave them down below in the comments, and I'll try to get back to them. Good luck building yours.